Hey guys, my name's Carson Garner, and I'm from Hot Springs, Arkansas, um, which is about 2 hours away from campus. I'm on the men's golf team, which is why I'm actually taking this class online. We have 10 tournaments total. We have five in the fall and five in the spring, so we're going to be gone. And we're gone for about 4 or 5 days each time we leave. So we're all kind of taking classes online for the most part, so we don't really miss a whole lot of stuff in person. It's a lot easier to get it done on the road. We have 7, 8 hour drives every Tuesday, just about. Um, I am currently employed part time at the country called Little Rock. Um, I work with my brother up there. He's an assistant golf professional up there, about to be the head golf professional. And whenever I graduate, I actually wanted to be a teacher in high school. I still want to be a teacher now, but I figured out that I'm wanting to teach golf. It's something I've been very comfortable with, something I'm very familiar with. I've been playing it since I was about 2 or 3 years old. Um, so I think I can make a better connection with my students through golf than I ever will in the classroom. With that being said, I mean, I may be a golf coach in high school, teach history and be the golf coach there. I mean, I guess time will tell. It's really not up to me, but um, so yeah, that's all I got about myself. I want to be a teacher because I have a lot of people in my family that are teachers. It really just runs in the family. We uh, we all have a special knack for just kind of helping people solve problems. We like to be very hands on whenever we help people, um, and I think that's one of my gifts, one of my talents is I can help somebody through something and help them achieve a goal that they don't really think they can on their own. And it brings me joy to help other people, succeed. So that's how I succeed is help other people kind of succeed and that perspective on things. All right, guys, that's all I got. Thanks.